It's gone. I fixed it so it's like this.
Okay.
So it's still straight and it's just like perfect.
Okay. Is it recording right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're up in the canyon and we're gonna do a little experiment. So the debate's been forever, what blow-up valve sounds the best? Scott, what blow-up valve do you think sounds the best?
I don't know. I'm curious to see what this one's gonna sound like.
So some people say that the SSQV is the best sounding. Some people say the tiles sound the best. I'm a little biased. I've got the SSQV on the Supra, but these little inserts, I just 3D printed these, and we're gonna swap each one out and do a little drive-by and see how they sound. So like I said, all these are 3D printed. I used the original SSQV little insert, and then I just made all my own inserts to go inside of that. I have no idea how they're gonna sound, so we'll figure it out. So the first one we're gonna try is like this one. It's already on the car right now, so it should sound pretty similar to this one, but we'll give it a rip here and see. It melted the insert. That's gone. Where's it going? I hope you're filming all this. God forever. Away, and it melted. Okay, let's try this one. In the rock?
Just go straight across. Oh, I see it. It is melted though, like to one side.
Is it really?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, like melted.
Dang.
Oh, it's all experimental.
This one going down. It's loud. I think so. Yep.
I liked that one.
Did you?
Yeah.
It sounded good outside?
Yeah, it sounded good from out here.
Let it cool down for a second. It's a little hot. It's been fine, but running up and down like that just gets really warm. It didn't melt.
I'll take a picture of it just
Did you guys see the Z06?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I filmed it on the going down, but it's
Nice.
loud.
The original one back in. See the difference. This one was pretty loud though.
Yeah, inside the car, it's just more of a whooshing sound, not a high pitch sound.
this one being tapered on the top and on the bottom side, it's probably
Full hot.
melt or anything.
Didn't melt.
Where's this guy? Yeah, I was hoping those little spirals would do something different.
That's kind of nice. Yeah. I just think since it's not smooth, it's probably not doing that high pitch noise. It's a cool, calm.
Yeah.
It'll be 105 out there. 80.
All right.
Okay.
I got double. I got two of them. It's like a little one came off and then a big one came off. Sounded good though.
It's definitely the highest pitched one, and it's the loudest one. Let's let Jake choose.
Choose.
Yeah. You gotta pick the next one.
Ah.
There's three left.
Let's rock with. Let's go with this one.
This guy.
Yep.
Okay. Leaking a little bit. I have a flat blade screwdriver. Okay.
This one's heading pretty decent.
And of course, the best sounding one, we didn't even film. So I'll see if we can pick it up right here. And that's the star one with the little cone. That's one that I just designed just for fun to see what it would sound like. So we'll give you a little rip here. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera. It sounds a lot like the OG one, the OG insert, with just a little bit more flutter to it. Actually sounds pretty good. Okay, well there you have it. Tested some of the inserts that go on the SSQV, so if you guys are looking at getting the best sound, Scott, what do you think was the best?
I like the old school, the original one that was in it, but this one right here that has a little bit of the holes inside, that sounded pretty good on the outside. Inside wasn't And this was the first one that we ran with. Got kind of hot in there, a little bit melted, but this one, futuristic looking. It just made a whooshing sound, but nothing too crazy. But
Scale from 1 to 10, it was probably a solid 2.
yeah, probably.
So if you guys are looking to 3D print some of these, it may not sound what you think they're going to sound like, but they're just 3D printed, so we can just toss them in the trash and move on. But that's kind of our little experiment for today. So hope you guys liked the video. If there's something you guys want to watch later on, hit us up in the comments. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on the next one.